everyone, I am Meenakshi and welcome back to my next English grammar session. And today we are going to learn about notice writing. So let's know that what is notice writing. Notice writing is a part of English writing skills and it is a written announcement or printed announcement that is displayed on the display boards, notice boards or public places. Alright? And it is about something that has happened or is about to happen in future. Alright, so let's know about the topics on which the notice are written. The topics are, we may write the notice on any competition, any event, any excursion, any lost and found notice. If you have lost anything, then you may write a notice and display it on the notice board, or found anything, then again you may display on the notice board. It may be about an inauguration, an exhibition, or any health camp to be held, like blood donation camp. More than this, you can write about any piece of information that you want to send to the targeted audience. Alright? Essential to know about the format of every writing skill, because format plays an essential role. If you don't write about the contents of body, or you write the format only in the proper way, then you still get a few marks. That is a fixed few marks that you get for the format. So let's now talk about the format of notice writing, that what is format that we should follow. Alright, the format of notice writing consists of, first of all, write the name of the institution. The issuing authority, write the name of institution, like school's name, college's name, etc. Then after, write notice in capital letters. You may highlight it by underline and write it in bold letters also. Alright. Then after, write the date at the left side. I earlier told you in the another sessions that the format of date should be like this, not like this. This is wrong way to write the date. You must write the format like this. Alright? And write it in the left side. Then after, write the title. Heading, give a suitable heading, give a suitable topic. It's again a tip that write the title in bold letters or underline the title. Alright? Then after, write the body or contents. Use 5 WH to write the contents. Those sentences that would give the answer of what's happening, when it's happening, where it's happening, why, what's the reason behind the occasion, and who is organizing or to whom to contact. Alright? What gives the answer of what's happening, when, what would be the time of that occasion, where, that would tell the place, where is that occasion happening, why, it will tell the reason, and who to whom to contact. Alright? Then after, at last, write your name. Not your name actually, the name would be given in the question, that you are Akshat or Akshita, right? That name. Alright? Then signature and designation. Write about the designation. Be sure that this body contents should not exceed the word limit. The word limit of it is 50 words. Right? It must be in between 50 exceed the word limit, otherwise you will get the negative marking. Alright? The information, it's very essential to keep the all notice in a box, and it would be better if you keep the notice in the box with the help of a pencil. Alright? So let's know more about notice with the help of this question. The question is, you are Kiran Karan, school captain of Kabir Model School, Rohtak. Write a notice informing the students about a debate competition to be held. You will see that you will find the all answers in this question only. Alright, so first thing that was to be done, to write about the name of the institution, the issuing authority, that is Kabir Model School. So let's write the name of the institution, Kabir Model School. Keep the first letter capital, then name of the city, Rohtak, then write the notice in capital letter, in bold letters. You may underline it also. Alright? Then write the present date, the date when the notice is being issued. Alright? As we are writing this notice today, so write today's date, that is 10 May 2020. Alright? Then after write the suitable title. Title must be eye-catching, and you will find the title in question. Here is the title, debate competition. This is the occasion that is going to be held. So write this title, debate competition, again in capital letters, debate competition. You may underline it to highlight it. Then after write about the body. What's happening, where is it happening, when is it happening, why, who is going to organize, to whom to contact, etc. Alright? Then let's tell, you may start with this line. This is to inform all the students that a debate competition is going to be held on 15 May. As we have written 10 May present day, and you may go further with 3 or 4 days on 15 May 2020. You may write the reason if there is any. On the occasion of Earth's Day, on the occasion of Environment Day, etc. Alright? Then after ask for the participants who want to participate. Those who want to participate can contact their class teacher. And you may end all the notices with this line, that is, for more details you may contact undersigned. Undersigned, the person who will sign here. And who will sign here? Whose name is given in the question. Name is Kiran or Karan. And we will give a sign of Karan and write its name and designation. What's the designation? School captain. Right? Designation, school captain. Alright? And to keep it in the box, that is the most essential part. It would be better to keep it with the help of pencil. Draw it with the help of pencil. Alright? So it was all about notice writing. I hope that you have understood. And if you have any kind of doubt, you may ask in the comment box. We will meet in the future. Until then, take care. Bye.